I know, we're running out of time. Actually, you know, do I press it? Do I press it?
I did. Where's A? I was waiting for the green screen. Countdown. Where's
No, it don't. Oh, okay.
Where do you stand, Pokemon?
We got another point. Wait a minute, that's London.
Go to the cheese out. Turn around.
Oh, and if you need my assistance at any time, just ring the bell on the table near Mr. Wainscot's seat.
Ooh, we got it. We won another 2 points.
You got it on record.
Oh, just one. That's good.
He over there. Oh, I saw that. I just went
Get
past
it.
subject.
Woo! She got that one.
Press a button to steal.
So press the green. Okay.
What's green?
All right. Still.
Get out here.
We did it.
Oh, we got to find this image.
Oh, did we read the instructions?
Yes.
What would you?
Down here.
You hit start.
Yeah.
And work together to complete a mission before.
Go. Oh, keep going. You hit it. You got it. Oh, you missed it. Oh, crap. Oh, no, Shalonda. Oh, go. Go. Come on. Oh, go this way. No, Shalonda. Go. Go. Don't go, slow down. Go, hit it. Go back up. Go up. Got it. This takes skills. This is the old school. Ain't no other game better than this. Go up. Oh, shit. No, go back. Come on, Shalonda. What is he doing? Go up, down. Shalonda. Yeah, oh, it was cheating on you. Shalonda. That's the lineup.